Growing Masterwort, Astrantia from seed, can be a rewarding gardening experience, but it requires some patience and care. Masterwort is a perennial plant known for its unique and attractive flowers. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to grow Masterwort from seeds. Seed collection or purchase. You can collect Masterwort seeds from existing plants, if you have them in your garden, or you can purchase seeds from a reputable nursery or online seed supplier. Select the right time. Masterwort seeds are best sown in the early spring or late summer to early autumn. This gives the seeds time to germinate and establish themselves before winter. Prepare a seed tray or pots. Fill a seed tray or small pots with a well-draining seed starting mix. Masterwort prefers a slightly acidic to neutral soil pH, around 6.0 to 7.0. Sow the seeds. Gently press the Masterwort seeds into the soil surface, but do not bury them deeply. Masterwort seeds require light to germinate, so just press them lightly into the soil without covering them. Watering. Moisten the soil gently after sowing, but avoid overwatering as this can lead to seed rot. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Provide light. Place the seed tray or pots in a location with bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid exposing them to harsh, direct sunlight. Maintain temperature. Masterwort seeds germinate best at temperatures between 65 F to 75 F 18 C to 24 C. You can use a heating mat to maintain the appropriate temperature if necessary. Germination. Germination can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months. Be patient and keep an eye on the soil moisture levels during this period. Transplanting. Once the seedlings have developed a few true leaves and are large enough to handle, transplant them into individual pots or into your garden. Space them about 12 to 18 inches apart. Hardening off. Before planting the seedlings in the garden, acclimate them to outdoor conditions by gradually exposing them to sunlight and outdoor temperatures over the course of a week or two. Planting in the garden. Choose a well-drained location in your garden with partial shade to full sun, depending on your local climate. Ensure the soil is rich and moist. Regular care. Water the Masterwort plants regularly to keep the soil consistently moist, especially during dry spells. Mulch around the plants to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilize in the spring with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to encourage healthy growth. Maintenance. Masterwort is generally a low-maintenance plant, but you may need to divide mature plants every few years to maintain their vigor. With proper care and patience, your Masterwort plants should thrive and produce their beautiful, intricate flowers in the garden. Remember that growing plants from seeds can take time, so be patient and enjoy the process.